Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Shri Matre Namaha. I am Manjunath, I am from Bangalore. I practice astrology and Vastu. Recently, my friend Rama, I had been to her house for Vastu and astrology a few years back. I had been to her house several times on Vastu. And she introduced me about Guru's meditation program. She told me that it's very interesting and I should try, so that will help me in doing my work more efficiently. So, in fact, initially she was very, very hesitant to tell me about this program. Since she thought I already know certain things, she was not really ready to tell me, but she somehow took a decision to talk to me, and I immediately said I will go with this. And I have, in the month of May, I think that is the last week of May, there was a program from Google, which is G Meditation program, which is of 25 days. I got into that program. The program starts at 3:30 in the morning. In fact, 10 minutes much earlier to that. It goes on up to 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It depends on the day. That means every day we have to get up at least a minimum of 2 o'clock or 2:10, which is so tough to tell you. We are not used to getting up at that time or even 4 o'clock continuously for 25 days, which is so tough. But as the program began, we got used to it, and it became a habit of getting up at 1:55, 2 o'clock, maybe sometimes 2-3 minutes for delay, but we got into that program. One of the best thing was getting up early in the morning. Getting up early in the morning and moving around itself, the Rushimuni says the Sanjeevani Shakti will be moving in the human body. Whoever is getting up in the morning and walking around. And getting up early in the morning and taking up bath early in the morning, which is so divine. Another divine thing, getting up early in the morning, walking around and taking a bath. It is called the Muni Snana. This Snana is considered into Devi Snana, Manushya Snana and Rakshasa Snana. Any Snana which is up to 8 o'clock is fine, which is the Manushya Snana. Anything prior to that, it gives you that divinity wherein you become so manifested, and whatever your positivity goes high, and whatever you think keeps happening. You can also pray for somebody else. This getting up early in the morning, a lot of people know its advantages, but it's not easy unless there is a force, there is a guru who can guide you, who can take you along. Who would like to skip the beautiful sleep? After all, I don't think anybody would like to. It's so tough, but this was one wonderful session where throughout the meditation program we experienced some wonderful positiveness. Every day the meditation itself would go up to anything not less than 1 hour, and on certain days it was 1.5 hours of continuous marathon meditation. I don't know how many people will believe it, but just recently we have experienced it, and just we have come out of that. And after the meditation program, every day we will have a discussion wherein the participants and the Guruji, we will have our own experiences to share, and each one of us. And it depends, if somebody is not interested or not in a mood, fine, but all the participants are there. They will be asking few questions, and any doubts, anywhere they're stuck, not able to concentrate, or whatever the thing they would like to discuss with the Guruji, and Guruji will come out with the appropriate answer, and we have the right Guruji who will fix the problem. Thank you so much, Guruji. I have undergone different meditation programs with different techniques, with different people. I have found that very satisfactory, and normally what we generally feel is through meditation, it is the state of the mind. People think that, be at peace. Here Guruji talks about, it's not only just about the state of mind being at peace, the tranquility. It is also to establish a relationship with the abundant cosmic energy to achieve a lot of our personal goals, a lot of the issues that are hovering around, so that those could be touched upon and all those things could be solved. Now, after this 25-day meditation program, there was a gap of 4 days, and we had another program by name Maniaran Group, which was of 9 days. I enrolled into that program. It was about, the whole thing was about talking about the money, the positivity and the negativity involved with the money. Like, what stops the money from coming in? What makes the money go out? How does people get into a trap? So it is all about the removal of the negative energy at home or within us, or the things we carry in our wallet or the bag, and how to attract money. So that was one wonderful program wherein we learned so many things about just cleansing the house and cleansing our own thoughts and system to attract more money. Again, thank you Guruji for the wonderful thing. And in the meantime, I would like to share one or two experiences during the program. All this happened during the second part of the program, which is the Money Earn Growth. The 25-day program was over, and I was into the second program wherein I was, I think maybe it was on the third or fourth day. It was early in the morning, and we were into meditation. And I was sitting on the iron chair doing the meditation. I was well into the meditation and the process was on. What happened, I really do not know. 15 minutes into the program, I realized that I'm not sitting on the chair. It was a foldable iron chair, and I have fallen onto the ground, and I have not realized any sound. And there was, normally when we are falling, there is some resistance which happens, the brain sends the signal saying you are falling, try to stop. Nothing like that was there. And the falling of the iron or the steel chair on the floor, none of the sound I could experience or hear. And after maybe 2-3 minutes, it was very funny. I started to realize what is happening, because this happens during meditation, like, we just get into the trance where, we are out of the world, and we are, the subconscious mind starts doing its own thing. I was on the floor and started to realize that, started to find out where am I. So I was moving my hands like this and trying to figure out, it was like totally going to the unconscious mode and trying to come back. Few seconds or a minute later, I was able to regain my consciousness, and I realized I am on the floor, and the foldable chair was also lying on me. I immediately got up and got back onto the chair and went through with the meditation process. The meditation process was over. At the end, I spoke to Guruji. I told him what all happened. I said I was lying on the floor, and later on, maybe for 2-3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, I was unconscious. I said, I told Guruji, this is what happened. And Guruji said, he listened to me, what all I was trying to tell him. And he said, this is a state of samadhi. People with deep meditation, they achieve it. People with intent and doing long-term meditation or a serious meditation, they achieve it. And it is something which I felt so happy that, a perfect guru with the right intent, he can take people forward. I'm so happy that I'm associated with this Guru, and this is one of the wonderful things of having been associated with the Guru. This is the success story of one of the success story of my journey with the Guruji. And another thing I would like to add, which happened during the second part of the program, which is a 9-day program called the Money Earn Grow. Here, one of my friend called me saying that a person whom I had visited for Vastu and astrology, he said this person had seizures. Seizures is a disorder where nerve cell activity in the brain is disturbed, which causes the seizures, or it is also called as the fits. So this person, he had that problem, and on that day he had the seizures once, and later on he was taken to a big hospital, and upon admission to the hospital he had multiple bouts of or rounds of the epilepsy. He was feeling very, very restless, unable to sleep, very uncomfortable, and he was put in the ICU. The whole family was under a lot of stress. They were just hoping that the person would recover and everything will go on well. And since my friend called me and said, I went through the horoscope and I found it to be a little tense and critical. In the meantime, those people also had inquired somewhere outside Bangalore, and the same result had come, saying that the condition for 2 days is tough and critical. This in the evening program where the classes are happening, the classes happens even during the meditation program, the 25-day, and also during the Money Earn program, which normally starts at 9 o'clock, goes up to 12 o'clock. So once the class was over, the discussion period was on, and I spoke to Guruji saying, here is a person who is suffering. I just would like to know, I'm seeking a remedy from you. He immediately suggested, he took little time and he told me two remedies, which in turn I passed it on to the concerned person, and the remedy was done. Two very, very simple remedies. And normally I do pray for all the people who are into a serious problem or financial, health, job related, whatever. That's what I do, because as a human being, there's nothing that we can, as astrologer and Vastu people, there's nothing that we can promise, because so it becomes very tough. Only by the will of the God these things will happen. Now here we have a Guruji who can direct us, because nothing happens without the intent and the will of the God. And when we have a Guruji who can foresee things and who can suggest things, it will be very, very wonderful. That's what we did, and he suggested few remedies. And next day morning, when I woke up early in the morning, I was praying for this person, writing all the details of him in a piece of paper. I was praying for him for some time. And by 10 o'clock in the morning, the next day, I received a call from the same person who had called me the previous day. And he said the person is going to be, he's feeling better now, and is going to be discharged from the ICU to the general ward. And that was a huge sigh of relief. And I felt extremely happy. And again, thank you, Guruji, so much. You have relieved me, and you have relieved a family, you have relieved a patient. Thank you so much. This is what a lot of people expect when they are in real dire straits, when they are in real problem. This is the fix. Normally people expect, and you are so kind and you are so generous. Thank you. During the two programs I have attended, the G meditation and the Money Earn program, every day we have a session in the evening where, even in the morning too, most of the times, we have a session where we discuss with the Guruji. Sometimes we come up with our own issues or problems, so we get the answer. Here, at the end of the program, the 25-day program, G meditation, the 9-day program, the Money Earn Group. On the last day, the Guruji will sit with us for a long discussion program, interactive program. He will be talking to every individual. Every individual will take his own time. It could be 15, 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. I don't know how the others may be feeling. He will be talking about the program and then he'll come out with his own things which needs to be addressed to the issues. Guruji will be dealing with those things and he will be putting up a quick fix. The most interesting thing I would like to say is the program starts at 10:30. The G meditation. The program ended at around 2:30, 3 o'clock, midnight. And what is surprising is the participants, we always take a break. We go for coffee, tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. This keeps happening to us. But Guruji is always there. Surprising how we can continue with the same energy and be so focused and yet talking to all the participants and coming out with a very viable solution which the person feels so simple and yet very effective. During the Money Earn program, we had a program for interactive session, which was from 10 o'clock in the morning up to, it went on because there were so many people, and during this program he had a little break for lunch, which was I think it was given at 1:40 and 30 minutes. And for 20 continuous hours he was sitting and he was talking to people, all the experiences of the meditation, and sometimes it was repetitive of so many people talking. I think this program we had around 115 or 120 participants, and I think it would be a huge load on the Guruji. It's really surprising the energy level, the patience level Guruji has. We are so fortunate to have Guruji like this, and all the participants were patiently, they were patiently waiting for their turn, and they were talking to the Guruji when their turn comes, and after that they will come out with their own issues which needs to be addressed, and the Guruji will come out with the solution wherein they will come out of the problem. And it happened to this session happened to everybody, and surprising, some people came back again and again. And the level of patience, the level of energy, it's really, really great. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you once again.